I think other people need to know that it's not just a professional development, it's an experience. It's a very immersive experience, so you're not just writing notes. You're getting up and you're working in it and you're meeting with people from all backgrounds, from your local artist to a well-renowned editor. Like, I felt privileged to meet the people that I met in this 1 week.
I became so comfortable and supported in this learning environment. I really feel like the techniques that I want to incorporate into my class, I was taught through experience here. So it was the whole practicing what you preach. So I became a learner, and that helped me to help my future learners.
This institute has equipped me with tools, resources, arguments, and most importantly, evidence that shows that if we are going to move forward and be a student-focused, student-first, student-centered learning experience, we need to think outside of the traditional boundaries of curricular constraints and think more along the lines of how do we think beyond the scope of a standardized curriculum and think more about meaningful partnerships that ultimately serve our kids.
Working with partners in the arts has had a profound effect on my work. What I have seen in classrooms when arts integration is brought in is that it's incredible for students in terms of engaging them deeply and impacting their learning and sense of relevance and ownership. But it's also really important for the educators. And I've had educators respond to this work saying time and again that it's really reminded them why they got into teaching in the first place.
This program is best teaching practices all around, from the experience to the intentional setup, to the experts coming into the community. It really is the best of the best.
I think Partners in the Arts is doing such significant work. Really, it should be a national model.